Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Here's a simple tutorial on writing a hello, world, program in Python with code examples. Python is a versatile and beginner-friendly programming language that is widely used for web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. The tradition of starting programming tutorials with a hello, world, program is a simple way to get started with any programming language. Before you can write and run Python code, you need to have Python installed on your computer. You can download the latest version of Python from the official website, Python Downloads. You can use any text editor to write Python code, but using an IDE like VSCode, PyCharm, or Thonny can enhance your development experience. For this tutorial, we'll use a basic text editor. Open your text editor and type the following Python code. This is a simple one-liner that uses the print function to display the text hello, world, on the console. Save your file with a .py extension. For example, you can name it hello_world.py. The .py extension indicates that it's a Python script. Open a terminal or command prompt, navigate to the directory where you saved your Python file, and run the script using the following command. If you're using Python 3, you may need to use Python 3 instead of Python.